Back-to-wall close-coupled WC pan installation. Measure distance X between the water closet pan outlet center and the floor. Fix the outlet pipe onto the floor soil outlet. The distance between the outlet pipe center and the floor should be equal to X. Mark on the wall the holes to drill for the fastening apparatus. Drill the marked holes using an 8 mm drill bit. Assemble the anchor screw, washer and conical gasket to connect the cistern and the water closet pan. Drill the marked holes using an 8 mm drill bit. Put the anchor screw through the cistern hole, tighten with washer and nut. Install the filling group using a clamping nut. Install the flushing group using a clamping nut. Adjust the float height and cistern water level with an adjusting spindle. Connect the cistern inlet pipe. Place rubber nut between the pan and the cistern. Finish the cistern and pan connection by tightening the wing nut left and right. Connect the push button to the cistern cap. Fasten the push button onto its housing on the control wire. Close the cistern cap. Fix the outlet pipe to the wall. Push the product to the right position aligned with the outlet pipe so that the pan outlet is secured in the main outlet pipe. Connect the intermediary hose for the cistern and ablution hose.